For people that want to stay gray, you can put the shampoo and conditioner into your hair that has a little bit of dye molecules in there. It just sits on the hair and adds sheen and adds a little bit of coverage, a little bit of tint, a little bit of shade. It does shampoo out in a few days or a few shampoos. And it's lovely. There's several options. You can go caramel, a little redder, a little darker, a little golder, a little blonder, and a little more ash, which is purple. That cuts environmental yellowing in here, which happens just with the sun. The sun oxidizes our hair, so a purple shampoo or conditioner is what helps that gold or orangey kind of brassiness that happens with sun and or smoke damage to your hair.